Does Colorado Computer Support work with different businesses that fall in different verticals with certain compliance standards? And yes, we do. We work with clients in a variety of different verticals that all have different compliance standards. A lot of them may be healthcare or education based, or some of them might just take credit card transactions that they want to make sure they're processing those in a compliant way that protects them against government regulations. We have a wide variety of technicians who've worked in many different industries that bring the backing and knowledge and skill set to make sure we are moving your computer infrastructure in the right direction for the compliance of the industry that you work in. If you'd like to call and talk to us about what industry you're in and making sure that you're moving in the right way for the compliance for where you need to be with your computer network, we'd love to chat with you about that and see if we're the right fit to help you take care of that solution. We're Colorado Computer Support, and you can reach us at 719-439-0599 or find us on the web at www.coloradosupport.com. Thank you so much, and we look forward to talking to you.